Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have an important update on Accenture hands-on assessment. In my previous video, I told you that I will share the real experience of Accenture's hands-on assessment by asking my friend, and finally I got the detailed information from him. So in this video, I'm going to explain everything clearly, what actually happens and what kind of questions you can expect and how the whole process works in the real. As of my knowledge, only some of the Pune and Chennai candidates got this mail. If any Bangalore candidates got this mail, please comment down and inform others so that others can be benefited. The information which I am going to provide you guys is given by the candidate who is from the Java full stack plus Gen AI domain. Okay, first let's talk about the hands-on assessment itself. The difficulty level is not easy, it's somewhere between medium to hard. It's not just basic coding, they are actually testing how well you understand real development. The question mostly asked based on CRUD operations using Springboot, and the main focus is on service layer and controller layer. So it's like instead of asking theory, they directly giving you project like structure and exact you to work on it. Now here comes something very important. In some cases, the project given to the student was incomplete, like some service methods were missing, some mapping annotations were not properly defined, and students had to figure it out on their own. So it's not just coding, it's more like understanding plus debugging plus implementing. And yes, you might have to download files, open them locally, and then work on the project. Also, one more important thing, some candidates actually got the same question which was asked in the mock assessment. Yes, so don't take the mock lightly at all. Make sure you properly understand the question in the mock, because there is a chance you might get a similar or same one in the real assessment. Now let's talk about the exam process. During the exam, your screen will be shared with the proctor, so everything you do is monitored. Near the end of the exam, around 15 minutes before, the proctor will notify you to start submitting the process. You need to complete your task, test your APIs in Postman to make sure everything is working correctly, convert your project into zip file and upload it using the provided link. So don't wait till the last minute, manage your time properly. Now coming to the evaluation process. Your performance is not judged only on coding, they check your coding quality, whether your project is working properly, your understanding of the implementation, and how well you handled the given task. So it is a complete evaluation, not just did you write code or not. Now talking about the overall experience, some students successfully completed their projects, but many found it challenging, especially when it came to understanding the project structure and fixing the missing parts. So preparation is very important. So overall, this is not just an exam, it's more like a real world project submission. If you prepare well, especially the Java full stack plus Gen AI people, CRUD operations, service layers and controller logic, you can definitely crack it if you know this. So now the important thing, before going to take your assessment, please clearly read the mail, your screen sharing information, how to upload the zip file in the link, and where to upload, everything will be mentioned in the mail itself. So please read mail carefully, and in the future rounds they may ask the same project to explain you guys. So do well and understand the project very clearly. If you found this video, please share it with your friends who are preparing for Accenture. That's it in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.